Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I will be sharing my unboxing of my Click and Grow system. I'm so excited, and make sure to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below, and make sure to check out my other videos. Now let's get into it. Hi guys, so I am going to be opening my new Click and Garden smart system. I am so happy about this gift for myself. So I'm just going to be unboxing this, shaking it, getting it out of there, and not trying to break it. But this is what the box looks like when you receive your Click and Garden. It is very detail oriented. It lists everything they sell and also has a bunch of details on the back. Beautiful pictures, very clear, very nice packaging, all sustainable packaging. It all is recyclable. It lists all of the plants they sell, part of their selections, and it must be their best sellers as well. So, and on the back there's like instructions, and also states what every part is. On the back is also the specifications on measurements, weight, and what you receive with your system. So you receive 3 tomato, 3 basil, and 3 lettuce plants. And yeah, you can it's a bunch of information. Smart soil, available in 3 different colors. It tells you what color you receive, and it also specifies all the parts and pieces, filling the tank, the powering up, and everything else that goes along with this. It also, inside the box, lists the origin, where it came from. It tells us some cool details. And now we're just going to open it up. So let's do this. Just tearing it open like that. Like that. Just take my time. No, I'm not. Now we're going to try to open it. Again, as I was saying, all of the packaging is recyclable. There was no bubble wrap or anything crazy in the box when I received it. It all came in really sustainable packaging, which I respect. So yeah, I just cut the sides off because it is attached to this box, and everything's foldable. You can put right back in the box. And there's this cool little quote on the top of the box, which I used for my introduction. And then you open it, and you have the format. You have your seeds you purchased, and you also have the seeds that come with your garden. I got tomato, basil, and green leaf, and that's the light at the top. So here's everything in here. As I said, there's some leaves, some lettuce, some mini tomatoes, and basil. There's also the light. There's instructions, how to start assembling the parts, the pieces, how to put your plant together step by step, and the A, B, C, D, how much water to put in it, X, Y, and Z. Also has an app, which, I guess it works. So the basil, you get a basil plant, and there's 3 pods in each of these. So you get 9 plants. And then you're gonna undo this, and you have your LED lamp that will help your plants grow. And then inside of that, you have the caps that'll help isolate the heat to help the plants, mature and, fertilize and all that other good stuff. These are the stands that go on the side that hold up the lamp. It's really cool. It has the numbers and stuff on it. A lot of cardboard in here. And here is the body that I pulled out. It's not that heavy. It's a nice, sturdy plastic material. And it's very pretty, very smooth. I love it. So this is the instruction book. It goes through all of that good stuff all over again. It also lists the plants, the app, as well as everything else. And this is my grow system. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you'd like to order one, I'll leave the link down below. And yeah, that's what I got. That's what I got. And this is the other plants I purchased. I bought some yellow tomatoes, some experimental ones, red kale, and what else was there? Yeah, that's it. I love kale. I love, love, love kale. I'm excited. So I'm going to show you guys how I set this up. So I'm just going to take the sides, and push them down. There's 2 different sides, I learned. So you push one side down, and then you're just going to take the little cup thing, and I'm going to take 2 of them off. So you're going to take your cup things like this, like that. And that's the bottom. That's where the water goes through. And we're going to do 2 tomatoes. So I'm going to do 1 yellow and 1 red tomato. And that's what the pods look like. They come in there. There's the seeds. They're like pre-packaged. Some of the seeds do come out, and I just pour them right back in there. That's the fertilizer and all the nutrients your plant will need. And you put the cap on there, and then you put the other cap on there, and then you put your plant in the little slot, and that'll help your plant start, fertilizing, growing. And same thing with the mini tomato, same process. You open it, you pop it in there, you pop the cap on, you pop the top on. That'll keep the heat in there so it can start fertilizing itself and doing its thing, and growing. And it's pretty cool. It's a cool system. It's very self-explanatory. It's very nice. I enjoy having it. And yeah, pop the top on, boom, boom, bam, there you go. And then you put the lamp thingy on. You can write the name of whatever you're growing on the side tab, which is pretty cool. And you can also erase it. And you can plant up to 9 plants in this. So then I'm going to put on the lamp, and this is what it looks like. Super nice. I love it. And I am going to do another video following up to show you guys what all my plants look like. I planted 9 things, and I will show you guys what this looks like. I hope this unboxing helps. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.